Let's see single circulation. What is single circulation? Where the blood passes through the heart only once. So the better example, if you take a fish, fishes are having heart with the two chamber only. So two chambers are there into the fish's heart. Now the receiving chamber is called atrium and pumping chamber is called ventricle. So now the heart is receiving deoxygenated blood passing to that is receiving chamber of atrium of the heart. It passes to the ventricle passes the deoxygenated blood to the artery. From artery it goes to the gills capillary that is present into the gills of the fish. So I have drawn a little with the light color with a pencil that this is the mouth of the fish this side and this is the gills. From the gills what is going to happen? Oxygen is going to enter, so the blood gets oxygenated and passes to the all parts of the body and then come back to the systemic capillaries. That is again a deoxygenated blood. It goes to the vein and vein passes the blood into the atrium of the heart and it passes to the ventricles, whereby this ventricle pumps the blood into the gills and further gets oxygenated, moves the other part of the body, comes back, received by vein and received by atrium, and atrium pushes the blood and ventricle to the ventricle and ventricle pushes the blood into the artery. So this cycle continues, but in this cycle we can see that blood is only passing once at a time through the heart. That's why it is given a single circulation. So let's see, we have to keep in mind that fish's hearts are receiving deoxygenated blood. So such type of heart is called venous heart, okay, because they are receiving deoxygenated blood. Thank you.